If you're annoyed with the default PDF viewer from Windows 11, I'm going to show you 10 free Windows 11 PDF tool that you could download to help your experience in viewing PDF. Now, the most popular one is of course called Sumatra PDF. You can download it by just Googling Sumatra PDF. Now, this is a very lightweight all-rounder PDF viewing tool that could cut back on all of the heavy processing that Microsoft Edge usually does to PDF. Another one is from a more popular source called Adobe Acrobat Reader. It's the world's most trusted PDF viewer. Now, if you want to download this, of course, just search up Adobe Acrobat Reader or DC, it says. Now, you can see if you want to download it, you can just press this button here to download Acrobat Reader. Now, you can see you can take the work out of paperwork. You can fill and sign, give and get feedback, work from anywhere, and view and store share PDFs. The next one I'm going to show you is called the Foxit PDF Reader. Now, this is a PDF reader that's especially useful if you're worried about security. Now, this is the most reliable PDF reader if you want to sign a PDF digitally, right? For example, a tax return and you need to sign it. You can see there's a verification check mark right there. The next software I'm going to show you is called the PDF-XChange. Now, this is especially good if you want a OCR function or you want to edit the text within the PDF. So, PDF-XChange. If you want to download it, just search up PDF-XChange on Google. The next one I'm going to show you is called the Nitro PDF Reader. Now, this is especially good if you want to convert PDF or create PDF as well, right? So, edit PDF with ease and convert documents in seconds. If you're looking for something more scientific, I would recommend an SDTU viewer. Now, this is a PDF viewer for scientific PDF files. So if you're into that, of course, just go to SDTU viewer and you can download the program from softsonic.com here. If you're looking for something to split, merge, or rotate PDF files, there's a program called PTSam Basic. Now, this is a program specifically to merge or split or rearrange PDF files. So if you're looking for that, of course, you can download this called PDF-XAM Basic. Of course, it's free. If you're looking for something to compress PDF file, I recommend a program called Setcha PDF Desktop. Now, it's a productive PDF software that you'll love to use. And of course, this is free. You can see it's free. It's pro. It's up to 3 tasks per day, so you have a free tier. Now, this is most well known for compressing a PDF, right? So if you want a smaller PDF, you can use this to compress it. The next one I'm going to show you is something pretty popular as well. It's called Ocular. This is a universal document viewer. So you're not just getting a software that can read PDF. You can also read comics, EPUB books, browse images, visualize more done comment documents, and much more. Of course, it's free, and I'm pretty sure this is also open source as well. Now, the last one I'm going to show you is technically not an app. It's a website, right? It's called PDF Escape. It's free online, but you can also get a smart alternative to Adobe Acrobat for desktop here as well. Now, again, this is more of an all-rounder here. And on the desktop version, you'll get to edit text and images, merge PDF documents, print to PDF, watermark, and compress PDF file size. So it's a lot of those previous features that I mentioned earlier, but it's just put into one big app. So if you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.